Hello and warming welcome to my video tutorial. And today I'm gonna show you how you can get free unlimited coins on iloveshort app without paying anything.
This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Firstly, just come out to Safari on iOS or Google Chrome for Android.
Set my heart afire. Yeah.
Then type 77xcode.com junction iloveshort. Secondly, all you need to do, just following my video tutorial step by step.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation.
If the time is done and it doesn't work, please leave it for about 2 hours, or change the phone.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating.
Very important steps. You need to unlock this step by clicking on Verify Now in order to get your free resources. If you have trouble, you can watch the final step video tutorial first, or you can ask the support chat AI assistant. After you completed this step, the resource will automatically added to your account. Congratulations! Now you get unlimited coins on your iloveshort account. But don't forget to watch and follow the final step video tutorial to unlock your resources. I hope you guys happy with this video tutorial. Have fun, guy. Good luck, and I see you in the next video. Bye.